4 Steps to an Abundant Mindset. For the last couple of decades, there has been an increasing realization of the role your mental attitude can have in shaping your fortunes. If you believe that being wealthy or successful or even happy is only for the lucky few, you might just be sabotaging your own success. If you really want to develop an abundant mindset and set course for a happier life, here are 4 things you can do right now. 1. Cultivate a mindful approach to life. The first thing you should do to reset your mindset from scarcity to abundance is to check your thought patterns. How does your inner monologue run? Is it dominated by doubt, fear, and fear of never having enough? Or are your thoughts positively and hopefully expecting everything to turn out well? Simply noticing your thoughts and switching them up will start to rewrite your own personal abundance narrative. Keep a note of your thought patterns and what triggers negative and positive reactions. Observe your body language and how those thoughts make you feel. 2. Learn to practice gratitude. Switching from a grousing, victim-based mindset to one of gratitude is probably one of the most powerful things you can do to step into an abundant life. You can choose to see what you have in your life. Look for the bad things and you'll find them, no matter how rich you are. Look for the good things and you'll always feel blessed. Write down all the good things in your life right now. Everything from being able to put food on the table to the unquestioning love of your pet. If you're having trouble, start by being grateful for a new day and for your capacity to change. 3. Be open to possibilities. An abundant mindset expects and is on the alert for opportunities. It's easy to get focused on the here and now, but make it a part of your day to let your attention expand. Find a quiet spot and let your mind wander. You'll be surprised at how many ideas and possibilities you'll notice. 4. Share your gifts. Living in an abundant mindset means that you feel safe in sharing your skills and passions. Scarcity tends to breed meanness and the anxiety that there isn't enough to go around. Conversely, if you're confident that the universe will keep giving, you can be generous in sharing your skills, time, and attention. Whether you're growing a business or volunteering, sharing what you have generates a momentum of abundance.